Hi, I'm Chef Andrew from Kikkoman, and I'm grilling on my white hot Binchotan grill, Shogayaki, which is ginger pork. Shoga means ginger, yaki means grill. I have thinly sliced pork that's like a sukiyaki pork. But you can use any kind of thinly sliced meat or vegetable. In fact, I've already grilled some onions that I'm pairing with a super crisp and cold cabbage and cilantro salad. Finishing my grilled pork, and I have my plate set. I'm just gonna arrange it almost like a little wreath around my cabbage salad. With some black sesame seeds and salt, and Kikkoman traditionally brewed soy sauce.